Once upon a time, a scientist caught a grasshopper and taught it how to jump on his command. He said, "Jump!" And the grasshopper immediately sprang up at his command. Being a scientist, it was in his nature to experiment, so he decided to test the grasshopper's jumping ability. He broke one of his legs and said, "Jump." The grasshopper still managed to jump, but the distance was short. Then, the scientist broke the other leg and ordered, "Jump." The jumping of grasshopper has reduced even more. One by one the scientist broke all the legs of the poor grasshopper. Finally, with only one leg left, when he ordered, "Jump," the grasshopper could not even move. Then the scientist wrote down his findings in his diary. When one leg of the grasshopper was broken, it became partially deaf. When the other leg was broken, it became even more deaf. With each leg being broken, the grasshopper became more ferocious. And when all the legs were broken, he became complete. It could not hear any command and became inactive. Jumping was a distant dream for the poor grasshopper. So, the moral of the story is that no matter how hard someone tries to break you, you should never lose hope in your abilities. Stay strong and believe in yourself, because even the unbreakable can break. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more motivational stories. It could not